Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch or other smartband on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your smartband. And you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face. Now swipe up on this watch face to scroll through the list of widgets. Now find the heart rate widget on this list. It's right here, and tap on it. And this will open the heart rate widget basically, and the smartband should start measuring your heart rate automatically. So I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor and hopefully it will detect it soon. Let's try again. Let's place our finger and go back, reopen the heart rate. Okay, now it's measuring it, as you can see, and this number will jump around because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. But once it's stabilized a little, it's like basically doesn't jump around a lot. This should be your current heart rate. You can also tap on this option to see the last 4 hours, basically the high and the low. And that's about it. Oh no, you can also swipe up on the screen to see the level of the stress right here. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. You can also open the settings, so press the button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and in settings we can scroll down, find the option called wrist heart rate, and tap on it. And here we can customize couple settings for it. We can enable or disable the auto measurement. So if you disable it, your watch or rather smartband won't measure the heart rate automatically. You will need to do it manually. But if you enable it, it will do it automatically every so often. I believe it's every 10 or 30 minutes, something like that. Next we have the HR alerts. So basically you can set the alerts for the high heart rate and low heart rate. You can enable it, select the threshold, and then you can tap on the check mark. Then we can enable low and then select the threshold and tap on the check mark. Okay. And below we have pulse oximeter. This is the basically that oxygen levels, but we can ignore that for now. And once you're done with the settings, you can press the button a couple of times to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.